Hey guys, welcome back to Dune Sport Custom Toy Haulers. Today we have a 32-foot handicap accessible model here to show you. And this one is beautiful inside and out. It's actually one of my favorite models we've built to this day. Totally custom floor plan. The customer is going to actually live in this trailer. So we do have some of our customers build trailers to live in. And yeah, this one's definitely unique and can't wait to show it to you. So let's get to it. Again, it's 32 feet long. It's our H model, so it's got the bathroom up front. You'll see that here in a minute. We added exterior storage. Sorry about that. Here in the front, it's got a solar port, electric tongue jack. So it's got two entry doors here. One normal 2-foot door, and then this one here is a 4-foot door you've seen us do. It's actually a little bit shorter. It's 60 inches tall, and the reason for that is because of the grab handle. So we're able to lower that about 6 inches to a foot. These doors all have magnetic catches on them. So you just swing the door open and it catches. And then you got your Braun lift here. This is a commercial model, and it has lights built into it. So this is his point of entry on this trailer. And it works great for customers. So it's got a remote. It's got some grab handles here if you need them, some lights on it. And we chose a door without a window just because it's already got windows. And as you can see here, it's got a huge side patio. So you don't really need any more windows. And if you want to sleep in, you want to block out some light. So again, a 2-foot entry door here. It's always good to have another point of entry. And then you've got a whole side patio here with the fencing around it, sliding glass door. Above it is a 16-foot Girard awning. This awning does have an LED light strip in it. It's not currently on right now, but I'll show you that here in a minute. On the rear here, we've got an 8-foot tall ramp door with some floodlights above it. This trailer does have a built-in generator as well. 2 7,000-pound axles on this trailer. Tankless water heater. Exterior shower right over there. 5,500 watt generator. Again with magnetic catches. So let's take you inside here. It does have heated tanks with wrap pipes. So you'll see that here in a minute. But let's take you to the inside and show you what this bad boy looks like. So this is our wood grain floor. We've got 2 floors to choose from, a tile or a wood grain. He's got mocha cabinetry. So here's his kitchen. Roll under sink. All of his controls. So heated tanks, fuel gauge for fuel tank for the generator, tankless water heater, radio, full depth drawers throughout. So still plenty of storage in that base cabinet. Oh, standing on the lift. So this lift here folds in, entry door. Huge 16 cubic foot fridge. So freezer and fridge on the right. This is awesome right here, this pantry. So he's got pull-out shelves that are drawers, easier to access. So normally these are fixed shelves, but you can actually make them pull-out drawers, fold-up drawers below. TV's mounted here in the ceiling. So side patio off here to the left with all of his controls to all the lights. Here's the LED light strip in the awning. So there you go, you can see it on. We do put lights up here for the patio, so that's pretty nice too. In the rear here, we went with a taller bed rail. So this is our 94-inch bed rail so that it comes all the way down to the ground. See how low that is? That's like 18 inches from the floor for the customer. So super convenient, super easy for him to get in and out of that bed. We added a wardrobe closet here. And then a little nightstand here below with an outlet. Again, full depth drawers there as well. So how cool is that? That's his bedroom. There's no front bedroom on this model. TV's up there in the ceiling that just folds down with a push of a button. And this is the view for here from the back end. So coming forward here, I'll show you the kitchen again. He's got a recessed oven with a 3-burner cooktop. Plenty of storage. He's not going to use too much of the overheads. He may have a buddy with him as well. And then this cabinet here is a bathroom linen closet and basically like a power center. So his generator is down below here. He's got inverter and batteries in here. So this little inverter is for the TV. And then he's got a big inverter here for the house. So that powers every outlet in this trailer. Some more storage above. And then his linen closet there and his control panel. So this whole front end here is a bathroom. If you notice, there's a pocket door to this bathroom here. It eliminates the swing of a door. So it's definitely a space saver. His air conditioner is here. There's remotes to power the AC. There's 2 in the roof or in the ceiling. So 1 there and then 1 back here. Again, this is a 32-foot trailer, so it's good to have 2 units, especially if you're going to live in it. Porcelain toilet. We added this grab bar here. Window to the outside there. That 4-foot door swung open right now, but looking in the front here, he's got a washer dryer combo. How cool is that? So definitely a living style trailer. Plenty of room in here for him to get around. He's got a roll under vanity here up front. Medicine cabinet, and then his big 4-foot roll-in shower with a bench. So this bench can fold up against the wall. He's got an adjustable shower head here, so this can move up and down. And then we have a custom cornered grab bar here for him installed. So this is such an awesome trailer. Very excited for him today. Today is his pickup day, and this is going to be his new home. He can't wait. And yeah, we can build them to live in, recreational use. I mean, you name it. Feels great to be able to make things possible again for these customers that, you know, can't find anything out there on the market that would suit their needs. So contact us anytime, especially if you need a handicap accessible trailer or can't find what you're looking for out there. We are definitely happy to accommodate. So yeah, nice big single basin sink. But just these roll under features are awesome. There and there for sinks. So completely accessible for him. So appreciate you guys watching. As always, thanks for following. We post these videos on 4 different platforms, so appreciate you guys following us, and let us know if you need anything. Give us a call or DM us anytime. Stay cool. Thanks for watching.